In this video, we're going to overview the tutor training workshop for teaching numeracy. My name is James Kigamwa. In this session, we're going to look at some of the topics. We'll look at the purpose and overview of this course. We're going to look at the requirements of the course, the topics for each week, the textbook and materials, different ways to complete the course, and how to get started. Let me mention that this course intends to prepare you to tutor people to teach numeracy rather, in their native languages so that they may become more functional in the basic arithmetic operations. It has been said that numerate individuals function better in their communities as farmers are able to raise better crops and mothers are able to raise children well. So in order to complete this course, we encourage you to connect to the course content, learning and completing the assignments, connect with your class, your classmates, share with your instructor and with your classmates as well, connect with your local community as you try to apply what you will have learned in this class. So let me talk about some of the requirements for the course. This course will be offered in English, and for you to successfully take the course, you need to have some intermediate level English skills. You need to have some internet connection or internet access to access the course content because it's going to be offered online. You need to be able to use simple apps like Google and Zoom and Flipgrid to record your videos. And also, you need to be able to dedicate at least 5 hours each week to completing your assignments. We'll begin in week 1 by looking at just an introductory overview of teaching numeracy. We know you're a literacy tutor, and we're going to draw some comparisons. Then we'll spend some time in week 2 looking at the number sense. And then we'll look at patterns and functions and algebra. Week 4, we'll look at statistics and probability, and then we'll complete the course by looking at geometry and measurement. We will provide you with 2 downloadable documents which will serve as the materials for this class. One is a curriculum framework for math and numeracy provided by Massachusetts Adult Basic Education Department, and the second one will be a guide that I will create and provide to you. We encourage you to write class comments and post them each week. We encourage you to take the quizzes and tests, view and create videos, talk to your classmates and instructor via phone or through video chat. Finally, how do you get started? To register for this course, you need to click on the link provided in the document that has been sent to you. You need to download Google Classroom onto your computer or mobile device. You may want to watch a short video on how to use Google Classroom. Once the instructor confirms your registration, you may log into the classroom and begin to review the content. But first, if you do not have an account, you may need to set up your own Google account by logging onto the website accounts.google.com/signup. Please add your photo, a photo of yourself, to your Google account. That way, classmates can see you when communicating. Finally, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send me an email. Bye for now.